Say hi, Katie.
Hi.
Okay, who's that poster up on the wall?
You.
Who is it, Bieber? That's the puppy one. I'm talking about the other one.
The puppy.
Yeah, that's the puppy one. What's this one?
Bieber.
Bieber? Do you like Justin Bieber? Do you want to listen to a song? Okay.
Yeah.
What song?
Bieber.
What song by Bieber?
Mini.
Eeny Meeny? Okay. Are you going to dance? Can you dance? Oh, it's loading. Am I... Oh. Alright, I have to turn it up. It's on the laptop, so it's kind of quiet. Here we go.
A Bieber.
It's Bieber. Do you like Bieber? On the computer. And yeah. You want to listen to a different song? One sec. It's a little loud now. A little loud. Okay, that's better. Who's that on the computer?
Bieber.
Yeah. You like Bieber? Okay, it's still loud again. Yeah. Bieber. Can you dance, Katie? Show me how you dance. Woo. Okay, Katie. Dance. Okay. You fell. Just gonna watch it now? Who's it singing?
Bieber.
What's his first name? That's his last name. His first name, Justin?
Bieber.
Katie, how old are you?
Bieber.
No, how old are you? 2? You're 2?
Two.
Who's your favorite singer?
Pink.
You like Pink. Yeah, I know you like Pink. Tell me every day you like Pink. Yeah, you do. Who's your favorite singer, Katie? Bieber. Yeah. Okay. Please. I'm not taking a picture, I'm taking a video. Can you say hi? Hi, Bieber.
Hi.
Is the song almost over? You're right, I think it is almost over. You gonna dance for the last chorus or whatever? It's almost over. Dance, Katie. It's almost over.
Money.
Yeah.
Money.
Yeah.
Money.
Say bye, Bieber. The video's almost over.
Bye.
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 Is this your favorite song?
Bye.
Computer. You saying bye? Okay, Katie. Say bye to the camera.
Bye.
Say bye, Bieber.
Bye. Money.
Say bye.